What's happening, everyone? Got another hard reset for you. Today we're going to do the TCL 40XE 5G. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password and you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset on the phone, I'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data. So if you have anything important on there, it's going to get deleted. And if you guys haven't yet, subscribe. We got a ton more of these teardowns and hard resets coming up. So, but otherwise, let's get into it. So you want to make sure the phone's off. And in this case, it is off. You have your volume up, volume down, and power button right here. And what you want to do is we're going to hold the volume up and power at the same time. When the phone turns on, you can let go of power but keep holding volume up, or sometimes we'll just go right into the hard reset and you just let go of both. But start by holding up volume up first, and then we'll hold the power button. So let go of power once the TCL logo comes up. I'm still holding volume up, and then we get into our reset, nice and short. Your volume buttons will scroll, your power button will select, so we want to scroll to wipe data factory reset, and hit the power button, and then we want to scroll down again, confirm, and data is deleted, and now we can either reboot or power off. In this case, I'm just going to power it off, and that's it. You're done with the hard reset. The phone will load to the welcome screen, and you can navigate it back to the home screen, and set it up how you wish. So that is how you do a hard reset on a TCL 40XE 5G. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to let us know. I think we will be doing a teardown on this model too here soon, so we'll get that up for you. But otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.